How to restore Facebook Messenger chat without PIN, or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Messenger on your device. Then tap on menu at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on settings. Now scroll down. Then tap on privacy and safety. Now tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. Then tap on message storage. Now when you tap on turn on secure storage, now as you can see it will ask for PIN and you won't get any option to reset the PIN on this page when you tap on need help. Now as you can see there are different options other than using a PIN, but they will only work if you have set up them before. If you don't have a working method, simply go back. Now tap on delete secure storage. So unfortunately, if you don't have a backup code or you haven't signed up with a Google account to back up the messages, you won't be able to restore your message without deleting secure storage. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.